Hello all, welcome to my channel. In our last video, we are complete with dehiscent fruit. In this video, we are going to discuss about indehiscent fruit. Indehiscent fruit means those fruits are not disperse their seed after maturity or after ripening. Okay, so why these fruits are not disperse their seed after ripening? Let us discuss. Before going to discuss the topic, if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share. So let's discuss. Here the fruits are thin, dry, having woody or leathery pericarp. Pericarp means outer wall of fruit. फ्रुट्र आउटर वाल लेदरी होता है ओडी होता है तुमने देखिपे ये नट देती व्हीट देती तुम नॉर्मली ओडी टेक्सचर दिए नट लेदरी अपीयरेंस दिए लेदरी टेक्सचर दिए सो indehiscent dry fruits are woody leathery pericarp. Acinal fruits are divided into 5 types. Acinals means indehiscent fruit को हमें akin बोली मध्यम कहते हैं acinal fruit बोली मध्यम कहते हैं. So these are divided into 5 different types. These are the types. First one is akin, then caryopsis, then cypsela, then samara, and last what is knot. So let us discuss one by one. First, akin. In case of akin, the pericarp is free from testa. What is pericarp? Pericarp means the outer covering of fruit, and testa means the outer covering of seed. So in akin, pericarp means out covering of fruit and testa means outer covering of seed. Both are free from each other, but the seed is attached to the pericarp at only one point. Single point रे pericarp संगे seed टा attach होता है माने outer wall संगे fruit रो seed टा attach होता है. So it is not release the seed after maturation, as it is attached one point with pericarp. Okay, example आप नीचे clematis. Here is the clematis. ये गोटे सिंगल पॉइंट रे एमने अटैच होइछन्ती. ये गोटे पॉइंट एमते एठी जस्ट गोटे पॉइंट एठी गोटे पॉइंट ए गोटे सिंगल पॉइंट रे एमने अटैच होइछन्ती कोठी पेरिकार्प संगे. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट इज कैरियोप्सिस. Caryopsis is just similar with akin, only the pericarp and testa are fused. Here pericarp and testa are free but attached at only one point. Single point से attach थी बार release ही पारुने. Caryopsis case रे both are fused, so it is difficult to release the seed after maturity. For example रे हमें Poaceae family नहीं चे. Poaceae बा Gramineae grass family रो जेकोनोसी एग्जाम्पल तुम मैंने नहीं पार एटी आम राइस एग्जाम्पल नहीं. नेक्स्ट इज Cypsela. Here the fruit is developed from bicarpellary syncarpous inferior ovary. Bicarpellary means two carpel are there and syncarpous means these two carpels are fused together, and ovary is inferior means all other floral parts are just above the ovary. Let us see what is inferior ovary. If this is stigma and style and this one is ovary, all the floral parts are developed here just above the ovary. जो सब जाक फ्लोराल पार्ट गुड़ाक सेपाल हो कि आंथर हो एम जदि ओभारीर ऊपर डेवलप करता जस्ट एबव द ओभारी इज कॉल्ड इनफेरियर ठीक अच्छे सो हियर इज द ओभारी एंड ऑल अदर फ्लोरल पार्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग स्टिग्मा एंड anther and sepals are just above the ovary. So Cypsella fruits are developed from inferior ovary and these are bicarpillary syncarpus. It contain pappus having a crown of hair. ଏଠି ତୁମେ ଦେଖୁଛ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ ପାପସ୍ ବୋଲି କହୁଛେ ପେପ୍ରିକାଲେକ୍ସ ଆଉ ଏଠି କ୍ରାଉନ୍ ହେୟାର କ୍ରାଉନ୍ ଅଛି ଏଠି ବଡ଼ ଇମେଜଟେ ତୁମେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରମୋଟେଡ୍ ୱିଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍ପର୍ସଲ୍ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ୱିଣ୍ଡ ଡିସ୍ପର୍ସଲ୍ରେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରନ୍ତି but it is very hard to detach from the pericarp संगे detach होगा टिके टाइम लगे को कहीं एकिन माने क्लस्टर रे थांती इजीली विंड डिस्पर्सल मेकानिज्म हेले मध्य इजीली माने डिस्पर्स हो पारंती नाही सर एग्जांपल हमें डेंडालियन को नहीं चाहिए डेंडालियन हार्ड टू सेपरेट फ्रॉम द ओवरी वालू सेपरेट होगा आपको बहुत टाइम लगे so as it is so difficulty in the dispersal mechanism it develop this crown of hair which may help it from the dispersal a hair like structure तुम्हें केवे हमर जो अरख गछर मंजीटा कोड़ीबार देखि देबो तो so here in case of dandelion also this crown of hair is a modified feature for dispersal mechanism as these are indehiscent some fruits build some specific feature. Here is the crown of hair. Next is Samara. Samara developed from monocarpillary ovary. Here single carpel is there in ovary. Pericarp is expanded in the form of wing. एटी जो wing देखो जो तुम्हें मने एटी जो एमते है जी देखते this one. This wing is nothing but the pericarp माने fruit रा outer wall. So pericarp is expanded in the form of wing and help in dispersal. A wing leathery structure a thin wing like structure थिबारो a dispersal हेले परे mature होला परे disperse होगा पाई able है परे else it is indehiscent. Only this is the special feature that is wing seed. Example elm. And the last one is knot. Here the pericarp is harder and leathery and woody. Pericarp तो मन सब गुआ गच्छ देखी थी वो तो woody and leathery develop from simple or compound pistil. Simple or compound pistil रो develop करता है ovary में भी superior और inferior ovary superior है परिव inferior भी एग्जांपल जरा काजू नट नहीं परिबो जे कोन से नट नहीं परिबो एटी हम नट नहीं छे मे नट मेग नहीं छे अकर्न रो बट इन केस ऑफ लीची द एडिबल पार्ट इज एरिल व्हिच इज एन आउटग्रोथ ऑफ टेस्टा एट जो व्हाइट पोर्शन देखो जे जो टेस्टा रो आउटग्रोथ as it is fleshy and juicy it is unable to disperse after ripening and as in knot the outer layer is leathery and woody it is very difficult to release the seed outward. So here we compared with the indehiscent fruit. If you have any query please comment. Thank you.